Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Fal.ai and ask, is it worth it? In order to do so, here we are at Fal.ai, and Fal is a generative media platform for developers. Build the next generation of creativity with Fal, lightning fast inference, and you can get started here. But let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI to find out whether or not it's worth it. According to Cider, Fal.ai is a generative media platform designed primarily for developers to build, deploy, and scale AI-powered applications. It offers reliable and fast AI model inference, aiming to ease integration and usage of AI technologies in projects of various sizes. Its key features include high speed and dependable AI model inference, scalable infrastructure able to support projects with hundreds of millions of users, cost-effective pricing that adapts to your usage, ensuring you pay only for the computing power consumed, intuitive conversational interface enhancing user experience, and users find the platform is fast, accurate, and convenient for quickly building and deploying AI applications. Its conversational AI interface is noted to be intuitive and user-friendly, reducing friction and complexity during developers. Some users prefer Fal.ai for training models like LoRa's due to better results compared to other platforms. Pricing is usage-based, designed to be cost-effective, especially for scaling projects, which is a strong selling point. And the pros include speed and accuracy in AI inference, scalable infrastructure suitable for enterprise-level projects, simple and flexible pricing model, and good user feedback on performance and usability. Cons, there's limited detailed user reviews. Only a small number of reviews are publicly available, and some discussions suggest exploring comparisons with competitors for specific use cases like model training. Overall, Fal.ai appears to be a robust developer-friendly project platform well suited for those looking to integrate generative AI capabilities efficiently with good performance and scalable pricing. It is worth considering if you need reliable AI model inference on a scalable, cost-managed platform. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're interested in a new online bank, if you're looking for an online banking solution, consider Simply Financial. If you click on the link in our link tree, you'll get $50 to start an account. And once you've gotten started, if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a win-win situation. It is a great online bank, and I highly recommend it.